Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a roasted salmon and tomato pasta. It's gonna be real super easy, y'all. It's only gonna take like 20 minutes. Before we get started though, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Okay, so we placed the salmon in there already. And this is the salmon with the skin on the back. So if you don't like that, you can get without the skin or however you like it. We're going to add some frozen spinach, or you can use fresh spinach. We're going to add some tomatoes. And we're going to add some Boursin cheese and 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to add some garlic. Y'all can use fresh garlic. I'm just using minced garlic. Y'all know I love garlic. I'm a garlic girl. Garlic is good for you anyways. Then we're going to add some olive oil because we want the seasonings to stick on there. Don't be stingy with the oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of capers. That's the capers. And some seasoning. We got some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and some of that garlic buttery, that Kinders that I like. I think I'm starting to put that in everything because I love it so much. And if you need some more seasoning, you can season it later. Then we're just going to add a little bit of rosemary. We're going to place this in the oven on 400 for about 20 minutes, uncovered. Now, while that's cooking, make sure y'all got your water boiling. We're going to go ahead and start on our linguine noodles. You can use whatever noodles you like. You don't have to use linguine, but that's what I'm using. And you just going to go ahead and boil that just like the box say. And then we're going to be back in 20 minutes. Alright, so we're going to squeeze some lemon on it. And we're going to add some Parmesan cheese and some mozzarella. We're going to put this back in the oven and let the cheese melt. And we're just going to mix this up. Now this is where you want to taste it to see if you have enough seasoning, and add more seasoning if you need more. See, let's taste some of this with the cheese. You want to try some? Now we're going to drop our linguine in. Let's see how much we need. We're going to add a little parsley. Alright y'all, so this is how it came out. I always keep the pasta water. Y'all already know that, so y'all can use that if y'all need to loosen the pasta up or anything like that for a little bit more flavor. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!